Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new things I've added to my 535i F10. I've done some new mods to it. I've added some things such as the carbon fiber eyelids and just stuff like that. I made a video like this maybe 7 months ago, and I didn't have a good following then, and now I do, so I might as well make an updated version of it. So yeah, we're going to walk through the car. I'm going to show you guys everything, and yeah, let's go and kick into it. Alright, so we're going to go start with the eyebrows on the headlights. These are carbon fiber. I'm going to have everything that I show you guys in this video down in the description below, where you can get everything that I'm about to show you on the car. But yeah, so this makes the car look a little better. It adds a little more carbon fiber touch. It gets rid of the white outline on the top of the headlight. If I go back a little bit, you guys can see it looks really good. It makes the car look a little more aggressive, which I'm aiming for. And plus it adds more carbon fiber to the car. So yeah, I really love it. Go and tell me what you guys think down in the description below, or comments down below. And yeah, let's go and kick on to the next thing. Alright, so the next thing is going to be the carbon fiber M-style mirror caps. These are not glued on. These are actually a replacement part. And overall, I love it. I love the way the suede looks like in the carbon fiber. It looks really good. All the carbon fiber that I have on this car matches the other pieces. So this style right here matches this style over here. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's the M style one where the wing comes out. The only trouble I have with this type of mirror cap is there's a lot of wind noise coming through this section right here when you're on the highway. It's like a high-pitched whistling sound, but I don't really care about that. Overall, it looks really good. I'm gonna go step back so you guys can see what it looks like from a distance. That's what it looks like. Looks really good. Alright, so the next thing is gonna be the M style front bumper. I didn't make a video about how to put it on since it was such a pain in the rear end. But you know, in the 535i, they got the straight grill thing. I didn't like that. It didn't look aggressive at all. But this one just changes the whole look of the car. It goes for the M style. I'm going for the M style look. And overall, makes the car look more aggressive and it looks way better. Alrighty guys, so this is the front grill. I got carbon fiber stitching around here, and these are all blacked out. I'm going to leave everything in the description, like I said, where you guys can pick these up. These are a direct replacement. These are kind of tight to fit in, so if they don't fit in correctly, you guys might have to shave a little bit off the top, like what we had to do for order them to fit in correctly. But yeah, they look really good. You guys really can't see the carbon fiber as much as you can in person. Alrighty guys, so if you guys do remember, I did replace these in a video. It's the glossy black fender lights. And overall, I love them. I couldn't find carbon fiber, so I decided to go with the glossy black. And yeah, so it looks really good. Instead of the chrome that the regular 535i's have. When I bought this car, it was actually wrapped in carbon fiber, and it didn't look good. It looked cheap. So I just went with the glossy black. Okay guys, so the next thing is going to be the carbon fiber wing. It's more of a spoiler. It's not a wing, because wings come up and they have that little bar. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't want to put it on this BMW. But yeah, I just went with the M style wing. I'm gonna have everything in the description, or the the description, like I said. So it's where you can get all that. So it's got the same pattern as the other ones. And if you step back, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks really good. I love it. I've had this on for probably about a year now. Alrighty guys, so I did a video about these before. I'm actually ordering new ones. They actually have a forged carbon like thing next to it, and then it's got the blue tip in between like this one does. So I ordered new ones, but if you guys like these ones, I'll put both of them down in the description below where you guys can get both of them. But yeah, this is what these look like. I'll go and step back real quick on this side of the angle. That's what they look like. They're kind of dirty right now, but they still look pretty good. It adds a little blue touch to match the calipers. So that's what the calipers look like. I try to match everything, so I got blue and blue, then I got the same carbon fiber stitching all the way across. Alrighty guys, so now the next thing. This thing's kind of expensive, but it's the glossy black roof. I had it wrapped a few months ago, and overall it stayed pretty good. I love the way it looks. It changes the whole look of the car since it's going, got the black tint and the black roof, and then it comes back to the black tint in the back. So yeah, I'll go and step back real quick, show you guys what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it if you guys have stuck around the channel before, but that's what it looks like. Sorry about the sun glare, but yep. Alright, so here's another thing as well. This is usually chrome, but I had it wrapped glossy black to match the roof, and I got rid of all the chrome on the car. So All we have left is the little door handle trim, and all the chrome in the car is gone. So all the chrome's gone on the windows, and it looks really good. It matches with the window tint, and of course matches with the roof. Alright guys, the next thing is wheels and calipers. I got these wheels when I bought the car, so I did not buy these myself, but I just decided to leave them on since they're really nice. They're glossy black and they look really good. They changed the whole car. But the calipers, these were painted blue after I purchased them, after I purchased the car. So I got the blue to match the blue tips in the back, and overall blue just makes it look good. I don't like the red. I'm not a big red fan, so I went with the blue, and it looks really good. So that's what the front looks like. I'll go ahead and make my way towards the back and show you what the back calipers look like. There's what the back looks like. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Oh, look at that guy. He's got no business being here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, I do have a $500 giveaway once I get to 2,500 subscribers. The video link will be down in the description below. But I appreciate you guys' support so much. I didn't have my BMW for about a week and a half since there was a overheating problem, and it ended up being the water pump and the thermostat that went out. So yeah guys, we're back in business now. Thank you guys so much again, and I appreciate it very much. Peace out.